going on, Try to get happy Sunday. Hope everybody's having a great one. Hope everybody had a great trading week last week. I do want to apologize to you guys. My last live last Sunday literally did it muted, so I didn't have my mic turned on. So somehow, see how it says it shows green. It was red, so I guess I tapped this button here, and I guess it was muted the whole time. So I apologize. Hopefully you guys can hear me clear. I will do a sound check because that's what I usually do. And for whatever reason, now I do it. So sounds like I'm good. So I apologize for you guys, but you guys can still see my previous analysis from last Sunday without me speaking. Just looking at the charts and just seeing how I mark them up. So, just a quick update. I took two trades, one right at market open, and I'll share that with you guys. Sorry if I'm clearing my throat a lot. The allergies out here are killing me. So yeah, let me share this with you guys. So you guys can see the two trades I took. So I took this one trade right here. So of course, I thought I was going to push up. So you can see here, I got into the trade at literally 6 o'clock. So it did push up, and then it pushed back down, and then it did push back up, and it did put me into profit, which I think I was like $200 in profit right here, and I just thought it was going to keep pushing, but I should have looked here at the previous level of support that was here before, and it tapped into it, and then it pushed down. Not only that, we had a doji here. So we did have a doji here, right there. So usually when you see a doji like that, usually you're going to see a reversal. And that's exactly what it did. So it pushed all the way down to almost this previous level of support here. But it actually taps into right here. Right there. So I should have seen that. I did take a second trade here, which I thought, because I saw this, I got in late because I thought it had enough volume that it was going to push past and it was going to tap into this previous level of support way over here. But that didn't happen. So I do see it continuing to push down. That's what it's kind of doing right now. It pushed back up into this area here, which is the previous level of resistance. And then it's pushing back down, which I think it's going to continue to do that. It's going to pull up a little bit and then push back up. It could very well tap into this area right here. I actually have an alert right here for that. So, again, you guys can see in my daily drawdown. I posted this on my IG. So $1,008. So of course I have a daily drawdown of $1,000. So of course I hit it. Moving forward, I'm going to go back to micros just to save my account. My buddy Julia's Gold Collector made a good suggestion just so I don't blow my account. So right now I'm at 49,146. So we got to make about $900 back. So which I know I can do it again. I did it last week. I'm kind of back in the same position I was last week. But nonetheless, I just wanted to update you guys. Again, you guys can always follow me on ATM4Pit on IG. Just so you guys can follow my journey. All my trades and all my wins, all my losses. stuff like that. But nonetheless, we are pretty much about to close out this week or this month, actually. So we're about to close out this month of September. So we're going into a new month. I'm excited to see what October is going to hold. I honestly think we're going to continue to move all-time highs. So, but we'll see what it's going to do this week. So, as usual, let's go ahead and take a look at news. So, let's go that back. All right. Hope you guys see that. All right. So, let's go to this week. So, today's the 29th, October 5th. So, starting with Monday. So, anything we look for USD. So, right here, you can definitely see something going on. So, Fed Chair Powell speaks Monday, 11:55. So, that's 10:55 our Pacific time if you live in Pacific time. So 10:55 a.m. So Fed Chair Powell speaks. 8:50 we have Member Bowman speaks. But I think something's going to move here for sure. So definitely watch out for that. Tuesday we got some red folders as well. We got ISM manufacturing, JOLTS job openings. This could very well move also because it's related. So 7 a.m. So 10 a.m. Let's see, Wednesday. Got a lot of stuff going on Wednesday. I don't know how much this is going to move the market. So we got a lot of stuff going on. 9 a.m. So then Thursday. Thursday we have unemployment claims again, pre-market. ISM services, PMI. This could move it also. So 10 o'clock. 7 o'clock Pacific time. And Friday, we got NFP. So unemployment rate. So Friday is going to be another one where we have to really be careful of the market. If you do trade news, definitely make sure you have a stop loss. Definitely make sure you have a take profit as well. So yeah, so we do have some movement that could possibly happen this week. So we have some high impacts in those. So definitely got to watch out for those. So again, just to reiterate, again we got Fed Chair Powell speaks at 10:55 on Monday. We got a little bit of news on Tuesday. Oh, I didn't even see that. Sorry, we got ADP and NFP again on Wednesday, 8:15. Good thing I went back to that. And then Thursday we got unemployment claims. Yeah, almost every day we got something going on. So this might be a week to really analyze your bias. Make sure you really take a look at your trades. There's going to be a lot of news going on, either that or wait till after the news and catch the retracement or the pullback. So other than that, that's all we got this week for news. So we got a lot of good stuff going on with news. All right, so let's go to the charts here. See what people. All right, so I'm going to clear all this out. So we're going to start at the weekly time frame. So look at this. It's crazy. Look at what gold's been doing. So what was this? September. So beginning of September, it's just been gold the whole month. So those are our last little pullback. August. Yeah, so it's crazy. All right. So we're gonna clear everything nice and clean. I'll get rid of this as well. All right, super clean charts. There we go. So trend wise, I don't usually have any indicators on here, so I do have two EMAs here, but I'll get rid of them. Sometimes it can be a distraction. So, just to be honest with you, if you can learn with just having super clean charts and just watching price action and supply and demand zones, key levels, just in my opinion, that's how I trade. I feel like you can be a successful trader doing that. Of course, there's a lot of different strategies out there and stuff like that, ways of trading. But it's just, I feel like it's the best way that I've learned, and I've been successful so far for the most part. So again, just follow this man's trend, right? It's always on the week. So just grab a trend line and just kind of mark your trend line. So that's all I need to do. It just goes all the way back to February. So I don't even have to go that far. Just go here. So typically for trend lines, usually you want 3 points. So, but I mean, this is pretty ideal. I mean, I can go even right here. So I can literally I can do this as a point, this is a point, this is a point. So I have 3 basically. So in order for it to break the trend, this would literally have to break this area right here. So just so you guys see, I would literally have to break this area for it to really be a bearish market again. But it's literally been bullish for quite a while. So if we zoom out of this, so we had a little bit of consolidation here, but I mean it's been pretty bullish since February 20th, almost the beginning of the year. So we had some consolidation here as well, but it's been making higher highs and higher lows the whole time. So that's how I know we could continue to keep going. So because where do we hit? We hit 27. We could easily hit 2,800 even this week. So who knows? So again, we're gonna do top-down analysis as well. So weekly, clearly bullish. All right. So weekly is bullish. We got that there. Now we're gonna go down to the daily. So right here, so September 19th. So we can literally go back a week. So last Monday was the 23rd. So we can see what happened last week. So 23rd right here. So I'll put a little line here. Right here. Oh. This red line right here, this was the whole week. So all last week. So we had a huge push up. We've got a doji here. We did continue to push up, and we did have a pullback here. So this was Thursday. And then, of course, Friday we just kind of sold off. So we had a lot going on there. So right now, because this candle here broke this candle here and the candle after that, then this might be a minor pullback. But since it broke, I'm going to consider this bearish. So since it broke. go to the daily. It's going to be bearish. So, because I see that, you could very well see some sells this week. So we could very well push down to this area here, and even to where this doji is. So this doji. But weekly is bullish, daily is bearish. So now we're going to go down strict 4 hour. Me, because again, you can see it broke. So we do have a kind of a tweezer bottom here. So it did pull back up here. We got rejection. Like I said, I do feel it's going to continue to push down here, and then continue to push down here, and then push down here, possibly. So I'm going to look at the 4 hour bearish. So let's mark up our key levels. So I'm going to mark them up on the daily. So again, we're going to mark up our mark up here. And this is our daily, our major resistance. And of course, I'm going to tap into here. That's going to be our major support. And that's at 2708. All right, 2708. And then major support level. I'm going to do it right at the bottom of that wick for that candle. So I'm going to do 2585. Nice. $25.85. Oops. Sorry, I meant to put 25. All right, so 25.85. So we have our major resistance level, major support level. I'm just going to keep those two there, to be honest. We'll see how it moves because we may have some minor levels. So of course it's in a range right now, so we'll see if it's going to pull down here and possibly pull down even further. So I do want to still mark up maybe two more just in case. So I see this level here. So it's going to be another one. And then this level here. Be another one. these levels here. All right. So I'm going to keep these two resistance and support levels here. So we'll go down in the 4 hour. Kind of see here. So there we go. So that's our pretty much our all-time high right here. So like I said, where it is right now, we had some consolidation, and then it tried to push back up here, rejected, and then now it's pulling back down. So again, we're definitely in a range right now. So, but we also had a range here before also. So we got to see where it's going to hit. So see, I do see this here. So like sometimes I wonder if the 4 hour would be better to do my minor resistance and support nodes or major ending. So because this level here would kind of be like 25 weeks. So that would be kind of more of a key level, but I like 25.85. So I'll keep that there. All right. So personally, I think we're going to be looking for sells this week. I know the trend is bullish, so we should see. Who knows? During the week, it could push down into here and basically fill all this gap here before it goes back up, obviously. So I can easily see us coming down here, a little bit of a pullback up, come back down. Yeah, coming back here, coming back down. And then possibly tapping into here. So to this major support level. It usually goes back to that same area that it's been before. So, or it could easily come here as well. So, because it has pulled down here and it pulled right back into the same area as well. So, this could actually be an area of interest right here before it goes back up. It tap into this area here and then come back up. So, pull this right here. So, it could do that. Come down, make lower lows, lower highs, or it comes here and it pushes back up. So by the end of the week, we could be bullish again. So that's why you have to look at the higher time frame. So usually, if you have more than two that are the same, it's usually the direction it's going to end up going. But of course, overall, will be bullish. So again, we still have a lot of sell opportunities before it does go back up. So that's kind of what I predict. So other than that, that's all I have for the gold. I know it's kind of short and sweet this week, but yeah. So you guys can again, like I said, follow me on Nikki_Pips on IG. You can watch all my trades, my wins, my losses. My goal for myself, and you guys can hold me accountable. Let me know what you think is going to happen in this market. My goal is to get refunded with Concept in that PK challenge and get funded and get my first payout before the end of the year. So I know we're coming up on October, so I have 2 months or 3 months really. All of October, all of November, and then all of December. So before January 1st, I want to become funded and possibly get a few payouts. That would be ideal. So I'm holding myself to it. I'm battle psychology. But to make sure I'm making, I'm paying a little bit more attention to my trades and my entries. So, because my analysis and stuff like that is usually pretty spot on, but I just either enter too late or I'm not paying attention to the price action. So, I got to do a little bit better than that, or better with that. But that is the goal, guys. So, give me your comments in the chat. What do you think I'm going to accomplish? Do you think I will be funded and get some payouts by the end of the year, or will I not? So let me know in the chat, guys. So appreciate you guys. If you guys can, please like, comment, and subscribe on here. If you get any value in this, please let me know in the chat. It really helps me. It kind of helps keep me motivated. But yeah, so stay tuned. Hope you guys have a great trading week, and stay tuned for our next video.